What you doing?
OG.
Oh my God! Now I have to get a car wash. What's today?
Today is a 2-year anniversary of our company.
Nominal turns 2 today.
Yes, it's very exciting.
2 years ago today, January 22nd, 2018, Akram and Lina founded Nominal.
Thank you so much for that.
Seriously. And then 1 year later, they brought me on full time, and a couple months after that, Matic came on.
1 month exactly after that.
One?
Yeah, you came in January, right?
January 18th.
I came in February like 15th.
I'm shot. There's no way.
Yeah.
Ehlif.
Wallah.
Wow.
With a distant shore, we won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. Oh, there's not much time left today. Yeah. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. To all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now and I love you then. This is the road and these are the hands. It's a highway. I wanna ride it all night long.
No, but the cheese one.
What are we getting, Omar?
Extra volcano chicken noodle. This is gonna be Ahmed in like an hour.
I'm pretty good with spicy things.
That one hurt. This is for the real.
Okay, so why don't you get a couple of those?
Okay, yeah, honestly, let's do that. Let's do only those.
Trust me, they're bad.
Okay, let's do one.
No, bro.
It's
That
too
one's
much?
like-
I'll do it.
Okay, let's do it. Well, I'm excited.
For the vlog. They close in 6 minutes. You guys think it's messed up to go to a place when they close in 6 minutes? I feel like, yeah? I don't think so. As long as it's, as long as you're nice. I think as long as you're nice, it doesn't really matter what time you come in. If it's 9 and if the door's open, I'm allowed in. What do you think? Is it messed up to go to a store that closes at 9 at 8:55?
It's a little bit messed up. I do feel bad internally, but like also it would be bad of the store to not serve us.
So as long as both
open
parties
time-
are nice,
Yes, exactly.
you're good.
Like I'm sorry I came in so late. They're like it's okay. You know?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm sorry I spit in your tea.
It's like, thanks so much.
Thank you guys.
Well, very good. Love it.
I found that broke my keto.
Just right
The
now?
whole channel, the whole channel's gonna know.
No.
All right, now we're gonna go eat spicy noodles and see who taps out first. All right, welcome.
Come join.
This is our first
Sit.
heat
Sit.
challenge.
I've
That's what we're
had
gonna
this
call this
before.
series. It's a
Go
heat
home.
challenge, and we're doing spicy noodles from Lily's International Market. All right, Mo, what would you give yourself out of 10 from handling spicy food?
Like a 7 or 6.
Okay, Omar?
I'm a 9.
Hamza? I would say I'm a 9 as well. Hamza, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good are you at handling spicy food?
Well, I think since you're Daisy, we already know.
I was not asked.
Yell loud and proud what you are.
Spicy food is not my thing.
All right.
Yes, I'm brown.
My throat.
I think I'm a.
Like 8? I think you're pretty
I
good.
think I'm a 5.
Oh,
like I don't
five?
really like.
You said you
spicy
eat this for
food.
fun.
Yeah, well with the crop.
All right, everyone good? All right.
Hamza, I feel so bad for you because that bowl has the most in it.
Well, I respect Hamza for doing it.
Well, it's
Hamza, it's
so
gonna
hot.
hurt. Hamza, it's hot. Relax. Please, you're gonna burn your mouth.
I don't know what the speed has to do with it, but
Me neither.
it's definitely something.
Hamza, I'm
This
worried
is
about
actually
you.
really hot.
It's what?
It's really hot.
You wanted it 2 times.
I stand by what I said.
Water.
So how long after we finish the bowl do we have?
The first one that drinks water is a chump.
Hey, wait. I didn't know this.
Hamza. Pooshi, go say hi to Ahmed's channel.
Not doing good.
Oh.
This is my cat.
Let's feed it some of the noodles.
It's so hot.
Update, it's been about 4 minutes since Hamza finished his bowl and he's still in the bathroom. All done.
Woo! Good job, guys.
Wallah, I'm impressed. Ahmed too.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Oh my god.
The video.
I finished my boba and I regret it.
Oh, it's different.
Mo, can I have a sip of your boba? Let me in for the vlog. My thumb to unlock it? That's so
I
creepy.
wish we got 2 things spicy.
Yeah, when he's on the toilet, don't do that.
Nice, that was so easy. Have you just been rinsing your mouth since you got in here?
But my heart rate.
We're just worried about your stomach.
Bro, I don't know why we did this. Wallah, it's not fun. Wallah. Like, it's really not fun.
Check out the concept of this game. It's called 50-50 and everyone sits in a circle. You whisper a question to the person next to you, and it's a question pertaining to the friends that are playing with you. Things like, who would you not trust to babysit your kid? Who would you kick out of your friend circle? Who's the most annoying? Offensive things like that. The person here answers by naming somebody from the group, but nobody knows what the question is yet. Then we flip a coin. If it's heads, this person has to tell the group what the question was. And if it's tails, then they're safe and you get to know that you were the answer, but you'll never know the question, and then it moves on.
We played
So
Definitely not.
it ruins friendships, genuinely.
Really? I've never played before. It'd be fun.
We played with Manal.
Fun is the last adjective I would use.
Oh my god, Wallah, so much pain.
Are you okay?
Well, I think there's a couple winners and a couple losers.
Wait.
Nice.
Look at that smile.
Another winner joins the circle. I don't know if I would call. He doesn't look like a winner.
Oh, he won.
Why? Because he ate it fast?
Thank you. Wallah.
Okay, I'll eat it fast next time.
Success doesn't always look pretty. Winning is never pretty, I promise you that.
And being quick doesn't mean you won.
Repeating the 6,000.
All right, Omar, explain what we're doing here.
All right, so Mo, Panamo, blindfolded. I have something in my hand.
God, I'm so down.
Nice.
And he's gonna guess what it is.
Does he get to like touch it or taste
And
it?
if he gets it wrong, he has to eat it.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, so he's gonna touch it, guess, and if it's wrong, he eats it. I like it. All right, I dig it.
Yeah, ready?
I don't think it'll just do it. Mo.
All right, Mo.
play.
It's on here.
It's on this.
Yeah.
How firmly can he touch it?
You can touch it. You can
He
touch
can do whatever he wants,
Can
pretty
I?
much.
Can you just hold the
No,
plate? Like
What
he's
the
gonna
fuck is this?
No, for the vlog, bro. There's gonna be so many sentences.
What is it? Say Wallah is not something I'd be disgusted
No,
with.
wallah.
Is it the cat's poop?
No. What's your second guess?
What is this? Is this a balah?
What's that?
Is this a date?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
You're wrong. You have to eat it. You have to eat it.
I don't want to eat it.
All right, Mo, you pass.
All right, go ahead.
And then we're gonna put like a nice green check with your face.
Really scared, y'all.
What is that?
She's not gonna eat it. I'm not gonna let her eat it. Well, let's get close.
I'm so scared.
I recommend this one with a finger too.
Okay. Oh God, what the hell is that? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
What is that? So if you get it wrong, you have to eat it.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Stop. Okay.
Smell it. You can try licking it.
No, I feel like it's so much. Is it edible?
Sure, you can put it in your mouth.
Or is it is it a food?
Just keep guessing. Stop asking questions and start answering.
I really
Is that your
that
final
your
guess? All right, well, you're wrong, so.
It's moose. Go for it.
I was gonna do a cool shot of the clock in my car, but it died like a year ago. 7:25 right now. And it's another Sunday morning of a really, really early morning workout. You know what also broke like a year ago? Our garage. So, it's a fun life. I will repeat this as many times as necessary. Surround yourself with people who are better than you at something. Omar beat me like 4 times in the sled pushes last week, and I did better this week, but it's still something that I need to progress on. And I'm getting better at my jumps, I'm getting better at the jump ropes, I'm getting better at a lot of endurance related exercise that not only would I not get better at them without these friends, but I wouldn't even try this stuff without my friends, you know? And so sometimes, and that's why they always say you are the sum of the people that you spend the most time with, because their habits and their tendencies and the things they want to spend time and effort doing is going to pull you in. That's what being around friends is. That's what being friends with somebody is. You're going to pick up on their habits. You're going to spend time with them, even if they're doing something you don't typically enjoy. So give it a shot. Hit up a friend right now who does something that you normally don't do, whether it's hiking, whether it's business related, whether it's some drive or road trip that you wouldn't normally go on. Just go and learn something. Workout complete. Time for some breakfast to discuss some goals. See you guys there.